Creating a home of our own was something we had always looked forward to.
Space that reflects our lifestyle, supports our daily routines, and feels comfortable to return to every day. Designed around a Scandinavian minimalist concept, our home embraces simplicity, functionality, and warmth, creating a calm environment that truly feels like ours. From the moment we stepped inside, we wanted the home to feel bright, airy, effortlessly welcoming. A soft palette of neutral tones, clean lines, and subtle textures creates a sense of calm throughout the space.
Features like the fluted glass divider help maintain openness while adding privacy and visual interest, allowing natural light to flow freely through the home. Whether we are spending a quiet evening together or hosting family and friends, the living area was designed to balance comfort, connection, and simplicity.
At the heart of the home is the dining area, creating a natural connection between the living room and the kitchen. We wanted these spaces to feel flexible and connected, adapting easily to everyday meals, working from home, or spending time with loved ones.
The semi-open kitchen continues this idea, offering the freedom to open up the space or create separation when needed. Throughout the home, every design choice was guided by a simple goal, combining functionality with a clean and timeless aesthetic.
The master bedroom was designed as a place to rest, recharge, and unwind. Warm materials, soft tones, and thoughtful storage solutions help create a space that feels organized, comfortable, and peaceful. A quiet retreat from the pace of everyday life.
The same design philosophy extends into the bathrooms, where clean finishes, subtle textures, and carefully selected materials create a calm and refined atmosphere. Simple, functional, and easy to live with, these spaces were designed to bring comfort to everyday routines.
What we love most about this home isn't any single feature, but the feeling it creates. The natural light, the openness, and the sense of calm that greets us every day.
It's a space that feels timeless, comfortable, and uniquely ours.